Hello everyone, welcome to this week's new releases. I have 3 kits, a foil bundle, the color of the week, and 10 new doodles for y'all, and these will all be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. We will be closing the shop on Sunday night Sunday evening after we print the labels for these orders, so we can prep the shop for the Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend. I will have a video up next Monday, I believe, with information on what we are doing for that. But let's go into this week's releases. I have, like I said, 3 kits, and I am just so excited because one's a reformat and I feel like it turned out really cute, and 2 new arts. So let's go ahead and get into the foil bundle first. This is a mystery overstock foil. So this is the twinkle format in silver. So this was with the stay at home movie kind of chill kit that was super cute. I'm probably going to be using it in either January or March. I haven't decided yet. Let me know when you plan on using it down below. But this is the leftover stock of that foil bundle. So it has the twinkle format in silver with the 6 full boxes and the glitter header overlays, 2 pages of those, 2 pages of silver bougie boxes, these silver scripts, and icons, the fancy headers, the deco, the date numbers, and then the bottom washi overlays. So we have that available. Also, last week I did put up the limited edition foil sheets again. So those would be Lavender Hollow, Champagne Lights, and Sparkly Hollow. The Lavender Hollow and Champagne Lights bougie boxes, matte samplers, and then the Sparkly Hollow bougie boxes. And then I also did add black bougie boxes because I realized we had some actually at work. So I put those up as well. So if you're interested in picking up black bougie boxes, we have those. I grabbed a bunch because I feel like they come so in handy, especially when you're doing a mixed metal look and want to add in something else. I think black's a cool option. So there is that, and I'm going to leave those up for this week as well. So if you wanted to grab those with this week's releases, you could do that as well. Let's go into the color of the week. So I wanted to do a light gray. I think the neutrals in the colors are just so perfect. And there is another sheet this week, which is really exciting. And then there'll be another sheet for weeks to come. So that'll be sheet number 7. So you'll see. So this is sheet number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this is the new sheet with some of the newer doodles on it. So let me show you actually how I've been storing these. So I have a small Simply Gilded album here, and I have them just stored in order of release. I might actually eventually change it to rainbow order because I think that that'd be really helpful, but for right now there's not that many colors and I don't really want to rearrange them all the time. So I have them in this, and then whenever I pull out my kit for the week, like this week I'm using Little Witch, I can look at the colors and see before I start if any of them match. I think Little Witch, I'd actually probably use the gray. I think that'd be really pretty. But yeah, that's how I've been storing them in case you needed inspiration on that. And I just kind of look through those first before I even start looking at character stickers. I just pull out those and see if any of the colors match. So again, this week is a really pretty light gray and neutral, so it'll go with basically everything. Then let's get into the 10 new doodles. I am working on releasing a lot of the ones that were requested on Facebook. So I had all of these custom done. I think all these are customs, yes. So let's go ahead and go through them. So the first one here is ambulances in the pastel colorway. And then there is Bibles in the pastel colorway, churches in the pastel colorway. I also did a neutral sheet of these with a light gray to a medium gray, and then gas nozzles. So I did do the pastel and then a neutral version, little vote boxes. So these ones I did both the pastel colorway and then a blue and red version. Still very usable colors though. And then a vote button in the pastel as well as the red and blue there as well. So those are 10 new doodles for the week, the color of the week, the foil bundle, and then last but not least, let's get into the kits for this week. Let's go over the reformat first because I'm so excited because it turned out so cute. Okay, so this is Pet Potty, it's funny. I think it turned out so cute, so cannot wait to see what y'all think. I think whenever I did this kit initially, I think I might have removed the orange and the yellow and just kept it as like the purple and the blue and the pink, but I think the yellow and the orange just kind of make it really like fun and bright. So for this format of the kit, I think last time I kind of mixed the dog and cat items, but for this format, what I decided to do is to make the freebie dogs and then these cats, so you could switch it out. There's nothing really cat or dog specific in these boxes. But you could switch those out and then it's either a dog or cat, or if you want to use both, you totally could. Like this box could stand alone by itself, but it also looks good as the double box there. And again, you can use that by itself or switch it out and use the cat and dog together, whatever you want to do. But I think it makes it more either like cat specific, dog specific, or you can mix and match. Like I said, nothing on the full boxes here is very like cat or dog specific, but move on to the extra boxes in the ultimate kit. There is a cat and a dog box here, which are super cute. I love these colors. I really love this yellow, and I'm kind of sad that I left it out last time because it's kind of like a yellowy green chartreuse color. I think that's what it's called. Really, really pretty. I think it just brings like a pop. And I think again, foil with this could be like really cool. I feel like a sparkly hollow would be fun. If you wanted to do like a pink, a silver, a mixed metal, and then you have the extra full box on the washi page, a really nice neutral rainbow grid. It's like very like bright and airy, and I like that, especially whenever it comes to kits with like brighter colors. So that is the ultimate kit. All of the kits this week do come in ultimate and mini, and the mini has the same freebie, so it could totally be a dog or a cat kit. But let's go into the extras. So the extras, we do have the 15 millimeter strip in the purple, which is so pretty, the label sampler, and then the fashion options, as well as a cat specific box. So there's 5 different cats here, along with an extra cat specific box that says meow. And then there is a dog specific box, and then the wolf with the dog items here. So I think that was really cute. You can totally make the kit however you like with all of these extra add-on options. So that is Pet Potty. Again, it is a reformat. Last time, like I said, I think I had changed the colors to omit the like orange and yellow, but I think that this is a fun new look on it, and the boxes are all new, so love that. Then let's get into the 2 newer kits for this week. So the first one here is called Snowbound, and it's a really pretty winter kit. I love these colors. So let's go ahead and go through it. Okay, so here are the full boxes. So you have 2 different double box scenes, but again, I think that the top scene could totally stand alone on its own as 2 individual boxes, or you can use it as a scene together. Like maybe you wanted to flip that open, have that on the inside. You have 2 fashion options, 2 flat lays down here, and then this gorgeous scene. In the ultimate, you do have these 2 boxes. So you have a food box with noodles and a s'mores little like board and an outfit. I love these colors. This would be another one that would look really pretty with a lot of different foils. I could see it with gold, I could see it with silver, I could see it with mixed metal, I could see it with rose, hollow, sparkly hollow. Champagne lights even be really fun. Any type of like sparkly like stars, snowflake bundles, extra full box, and then the bottom washi. And then the freebie on both the ultimate and mini is the extra color, which is this navy. I think it's so pretty in there. So that is the ultimate kit. Again, it also does come in a mini, and then I'll go ahead and show y'all the add-on options. If this is gonna go back in, maybe we'll have to work on that later. Oh no, there it goes. Okay. Then there is also the add-on options. You have the 15 millimeter strip, you have the label sampler, and the fashion option as well. And then last but not least, there is a kit called Love You, which is the first Valentine's Day kit of the season. There will be more to come in the weeks to come. This one's really pretty, but honestly, like I feel like you could use this for non-Valentine's Day. You could use this anytime because it's just like a really cute, like lovey, florally pink, neutral marble coffee shop kind of kit. It doesn't really scream Valentine's Day, but I think it's nice because it's a little bit more low key. So you could use it for Valentine's Day, but you could also just use it like, I feel like it kind of has spring vibes to me. So yeah, I think it's really pretty. Again, with the marbles, so you could use marble multicolor with this or any type of grays. Like this would look really good with the Doodles of the week being all of that gray color, pulling in the marble kind of vibes. I love the amount of black in this kit. I think that's also really fun. Another one that you could use a lot of different foils with. But here are the full boxes. They are so cute. I love the like florals in the background. I just think it's so romantic. And then you have your extra full boxes in the ultimate. And then these colors are so nice. It reminds me of like SPC Cafe, but this pink is a little bit more of like a peachy pink. Super, super cute and gorgeous. Again, very like, I don't know, just chic. And again, I think this could go with so many different foils, especially like, I think even like a black sparkly, which we do have black sparkle in the shop, would look really pretty with this as well. Or if you wanted to do like gold or silver and then do the black bougie boxes, that would also be really cool. Or black bougie boxes with like a pink would be really nice. Again, there's just so many different options, the freebie in both the ultimate and mini kit here. So many options. I always love seeing on Instagram when you tag me in pictures what foil you end up pairing with kits, because then sometimes I'm like, well, now I need to reuse that kit and use a different foil with it. Also comes in a mini kit. There is add-on options of the 15mm strip, the label sampler, and then also fashion option add-ons. And that is everything for this week. Again, new releases will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. There will also be mystery spots available if you want to sign up for December mystery. Ooh, sorry, baby just kicked me. Which is so pretty. I'm probably using it in January, but it's definitely like an anytime kit, but I just feel like the colors for me are reading January, which January mystery, let's talk about that one, is beautiful. And it is really pretty. So I'm really excited about that one too. I'm always excited about mysteries. It's just so fun. And I actually just got the art for 8 Year, and it's Jess art, and Jess said whenever she sent it to me that she thinks it's her best art ever, which you guys are gonna have to let me know, because that's hard, because Jess's art's just bomb always. So that's everything for this week. I hope that y'all like this week's new releases. Again, don't forget that the shop will be closing on Sunday afternoon to prep for Black Friday week. We will have Cyber Monday mystery as usual, and it is so cute. I'm so excited about it. And that is everything. I will talk to y'all in my next one.